Na tugithi na mbere ni ati mashindano ma acoceri a maithikiri ma Loop Safari maraingirire ikireka ria gatatu mwaka uyu kuria mururumo wa mbere ugakorwo mwena wa Limuru kaunti-ini ya Kiambu tariki 7 mweri ukite wetatu. Makiria ma acoceri 700 nio maratanyo gugakuruhanio kuri team iria ikahotana kimanjika kia besha kuma mwena wa Limuru. Mashindano maya makarora Naivasha mweri wetandatu na kurikiriria mwena wa Vipungo mweri-ini wa kanana. Acoceri magakorwo magikaba uraihu wa kilomita 100.
I have to acknowledge that when we started this, the Kenyan athletes that were participating in our events and also the events out in Europe were barely 1 or 2 in the top 10 positions, particularly when they go out to the international racing circuit. But we are seeing now, particularly with Team Amani, the Loop Black Mamba Development Squad, they are now beginning to become the most significant number of athletes showing up in the top 10 for this race. So it's great to see that the sport is developing and aligning with what we had hoped to achieve.